In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio. We will go through the full process of creating a new page, nesting it under a main page in your site menu, and then cleaning up the URL structure so everything stays organized and SEO friendly. This is especially useful if you want your website navigation to feel more structured and easier for visitors to browse. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click on Pages. This is where you can view your existing site pages and create new ones at the bottom of the Pages panel. Click Add New Page. Wix Studio will give you the option to start from a template or choose a blank page. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your site. Then give the page a clear name. It's a good idea to use a name that matches the content of the page, since this helps you stay organized as your site grows. Once the page has been created, the next step is to turn it into a subpage. To do that, click on your navigation menu directly on the canvas. When it highlights in blue, select Manage Menu. This opens the menu settings where you can organize how pages appear in your site navigation. In the menu panel, find the page you want to turn into a subpage. Then click and drag that page directly underneath the main page you want it to sit under. As you drag it, move it slightly to the right until it becomes indented. When that indentation appears, along with the thin line connector, that confirms the page is now nested as a subpage. If you prefer not to drag and drop, here is another way to do it. Click the three dots next to the page name. Choose the option to move it under the main page, and then select Subpage. This gives you the same result and can be easier if you want a more precise way to organize your menu. Finally, you can organize your URLs. This step is optional, but it's strongly recommended for SEO and for keeping your site architecture clean. In the Pages panel, click the three dots next to your subpage and open Settings or SEO Basics, depending on what you see. From there, update the URL slug so it reflects the parent category. For example, instead of using a standalone slug, you can structure it under the main section to make the relationship between pages clearer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.